Hey guys, this is Udit. So today I will be showing a new extension. This particular extension is basically for used for taking quick notes of a particular this thing. So in this particular uh, software, what we can do, or Chrome extension, what we can go here, we can add a note like note one. We can add whatever we want to do. We can select a color. We can save the note. It is saved. We can export this particular note, or we can add in one more note like note 2, add a different color to it and save it. And we can edit this particular note also, like we can delete everything or we can add a different thing. Save note. So we can delete a particular note. We can export this particular note to a particular folder, and we can basically save it. And so that's how it is. And also we can import a certain note folder into this one, and it will be like, so it will import all these notes from these particular folder in here, and we can delete also these. So that's how it is, guys. I hope you will like this and use it in your daily day-to-day activities. So thanks a lot. Please use this extension as much as possible. Thanks.